Hi guys, it's me, Shelpster. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys this HydroCell HydroFlask. I got the neon, which is like Oregon duck colors of green and yellow. Let's open it. It's got a nice little push-up lid. Very nice. Whoa, it's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. My necklace broke. Oh no, it wasn't even attached correctly. Babe, you didn't attach my necklace correctly. Anyways, fix my necklace. So it's really pretty. It's big. This one is, so it says it's got thermal lock, food grade, zero condensation, BPA, slip resistant. It comes with 2 straws. I got a bunch of different colors. Like a bunch of different colors, they're really pretty. So I wanna put that one. Oh! It's great. Let's put something in it and try it out. I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.